I just jogged a little while. I was out here saying thank you to the trees. Hanging with the trees. Hanging with the ETs. In reality, that alien god is a real one. I might be not a part of that family and never will be. But anyway, I was out here thanking everyone. Thanking nature. Thanking the property. Thanking everything. And I heard something. It wasn't a mourning dove. But it was and I realized, oh, well, those are the birdies too. Thanking them. But I was saying thank you. And the coyotes answered. Okay. Better to be a friend of the coyote. You know what I mean? We're all friends here at Carver's Creek.